Now, good day, everybody. Now, in this video, you're going to learn how to trade futures on Binance. Now, on futures trading, let me just assume that you know how to trade um, the cryptocurrency. You know when to buy and you know when to sell. And you know, in futures trading, you make money when the market is coming down and you make money when the market is going up. You know, all those deep Bitcoin used to go down, all those time why Bitcoin used to go down. Many people are making money off it. Okay, they trade futures and they trade it as sell, and the market keep coming down and they keep making money. When the market turns around, they buy Bitcoin and they keep making money. Okay, this is not holding coin now. This is buying and selling, like the way you trade your forex. Okay, so let's just dive into it. How do you trade futures? And before you start trading futures, you must learn how to analyze the market so that you know when to buy and you know when to sell. So let me just assume that you already know how to analyze the market and you just want to know how to trade futures. So first of all, you need to get USDT. So let's assume you're already getting USDT. So we need to transfer that USDT to your future wallet. So let's transfer some USDT to the future wallet. Now click on your wallet. Click on your wallet. Once you click on wallet, the next thing to do is to click on transfer at the top of your screen. Once you click on transfer, now it will say it will get you to this part where it says take sports wallet to P2P wallet. So we want to transfer the USDT from sports wallet to futures wallet, not P2P. So let's change this. We are going to click on this P2P now to change it to futures. Okay, good. Now this is where we are now. So you're going to select this one, USD futures, because we are sending USDT, which is dollar. Once you click on USD future, it will now ask you how much do you want to transfer to your futures wallet. So remember, the amount of money you transfer there, that is what you'll be using to trade. Okay, it's not all you fund in your Binance account. So let's transfer 10 USD. So type in 10. You can transfer 5, any amount you have. Then you click on transfer. Once you click on transfer, you have successfully transferred 10 USD to your futures wallet. So how do you know that the 10 USD is there? Click on the futures at the top of your screen. Now as you can see, I have 10 USD in my futures wallet. So now to trade the futures, you're going to click on the futures at the bottom of your screen, which is this one. Once you click on it, you will see, let me quickly just explain what we're seeing here. Now, we have the cryptocurrency versus USDT. We have this part where it says isolated. If you click on it, the isolated, you will see where the root cross and isolated, which is cross and isolated. No, I choose isolated because now let me just explain this isolated and the cross. The cross simply means if you have, for example, if you have $100 in your account and you want to trade on futures and it's in your futures account, that $100, if you choose cross, it simply means that when you're trading, if you are making losses, it will wipe all the full $100 if you don't use stop loss. Okay, if you don't use stop loss, it will wipe all the full $100. But if you use isolated, you can partition your account. Even though it's $100 that is in your futures wallet, you can say, okay, I just want to use $20 to enter the market. $80 will be saved automatically. So when the market is going against you, if you don't use stop loss, for example, you don't use stop loss, it will only take that $20. It will not go to the $80 that you kept as reserve, even though the $80 or the full $100 is in your futures wallet. So that explains future and cross. So let's just dive into the main stuff. So now I'm going to select isolated and I'm going to click confirm. Now the next part is this part you're seeing 5x. Now this part is called leverage. This leverage simply means that if you want to be trading times 5 of your money, probably you want to lend some money, you want Binance to lend you some money, or probably you have $100 and you want to be trading with $100,000, you can use leverage. Okay, that means if you click on this leverage, let me just click on it so you see. Now, if I adjust this, you see the leverage is from 1 to 50. Okay, so it simply means that I have $10, so but any trade I place, the profit I'll be making or the losses I'll be making, it will be times 10 or minus 10. Okay, that means if I'm making profit, it will be going times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. It will be faster. Instead of the profit to go on a normal route, it will be giving me times 10 of anything I'm making. Okay, if I'm supposed to be making $1 per trade, probably if the market moves up, it's going up little by little. I'm supposed to be making $1. I will be making $10 because of what? Leverage. This leverage. So you can increase it to 20 to 20 to 30 to 40 to 50. You can be making times 50. But just know that the risk behind leverage is that you'll be losing the same way too if you are not careful. Okay, so if your trade goes wrong, it goes the other way around and it will hit your account badly. So I will recommend you use within 2 and 20. Okay, 2 and 20 at most, except you have a huge fund in your Binance futures wallet. Okay, now so let's just leave it as for the sake of this tutorial, I'll just leave it as 2, or let me just leave it as 2. I'll click on confirm. Okay, now the next part here is you see we have the buy and we have the sell, which you can do. You know what that means. Now you see the amount you have in your wallet. Now the next part here is called limit. So this limit, if I click on it, you will see we have the post only, the market, the stop limit, the stop market, the trailing stop. Now the one I was talking about is just the market and the limits. The limits and the market, let me just tell you the difference. The limit simply means that you are setting a pending order, that if the market gets to this point, sell for me or buy for me. The market simply means that instantly buy or sell for me. Okay, so you're telling the market that I want to enter into this trade now if you choose market. So let's choose market for the sake of this tutorial. Now the next part here is the amount. Here is where you select the amount you want to use for the trading. Okay, so now for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to drag this to, let's be just take note of why I'm dragging this to the left. Take note of the amount that is being in the increment of the amount here. Okay, so let's do this. Let's drag. Are you seeing it? Now what I'm trying to do now, partitioning the account. If I drag to $5 like this, if I should drag to $5 or $4, let's $4.82. It simply means that out of this $10, what I want to use in this trade is just $4.84. Okay, the rest of the $6 or whatever dollars that will be remaining in my futures wallet is automatically saved because I'm using what? Isolated. Okay, so that is that. So let's just leave it like this and let me buy this market. So I'm buying this market right away. I'm going long. Sussex. I've successfully buy this market. So if I want to check my order, I will just click on this part here, position. When I click position, as you can see, I'm on profit here of 0.14 cents. As you can see, so in this part here, you'll be seeing the amount you're making here.